Hello kids, welcome to the number cut. Today we are learning the continuation of percentage, and today we are learning conversions between percentages into ratio and vice versa. Let's understand how it is done. Let's begin. So first you can see I have taken some questions. So 14%. How do we do that? 14%. So we'll write 14%, that is 14 by 100. 14 is divided by 100. Now we have to see the numerator and denominator if we can reduce them into the lowest terms. So yes, we can reduce because we can see 14 here and 100 here. So this will be 7 by 50. 7 2s are 14 and 50 2s are 100. So 7 by 50. Now 7 by 50 is 7 is to 50. We will write as ratio 7 is to 50. Now next question, 25%. So 25% is 25 by 100 and 25 4 times goes to 100. So 1 by 4. So 1 is to 4. So 25%, how do we write in a ratio? 1 is to 4. 25%. Now 65%, 65 by 100. Now 65, 13s are 65 and 20. So 13 by 20. 13 by 20. And how do we write it as a ratio? 13 is to 20. So here 65%, we wrote 65 by 100. Now 65 by 100 we need to cancel, divide numerator and denominator. So 13 5s are 65 and 5 20s are 100. So 13 by 20, 13 is to 20. Now 1.5%. 1.5%, it is 1.5 by 100. First you will write as percent and then you have to remove the decimal point. So for that it will go like that, 15 by 10 into 100. 15 by 10 into 100. So now we can cancel the numerator and denominator. So 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 100. So it will come 3 by 200. And how do we write it as a ratio? We can write as a ratio 3 is to 200. 3 is to 200. Now we have here 2 by 5%. You can see again we got a mixed number here. So this number has to be converted into improper fraction. So 12 by 5. We write it as 12 by 5. We write here 12 by 5. Now 12 by 5% is 12 by 5 divided by 100. Right? Yes. So 12 by 5 we have to write 12 by 5 into 1 by 100. So here you can see we can cancel 3 4s are 12 and 25 4s are 100. So it becomes 3 by 125. And how do we write it as a ratio? We can write it as a ratio like 3 is to 125. Right. So I hope you are clear with these steps how to convert percentages into ratio. So percentages we write divide by 100 and then we convert it. We have reduced them into the lowest terms and then we have written as a ratio. So 14% is 7 is to 50. 25% 1 is to 4. 65% 13 is to 20. 1.5% 3 is to 200. And 2 by 5% it is 3 is to 125. Now let us understand the other way. That is ratio into percentage. You can see I have written few questions here. Ratio into percentage. So first this ratio, how do we write? What do we do? We have to write this ratio as a fraction. Yes. 13 by 25. Yes. Then the next step is we have to multiply by 100 and write the percent symbol. And now we can divide 25 and 100. 25 4 times 100. So it comes 13 into 4 is 13 4s are 52. 52%. So now you understood how to do 13 is to 25. How we converted into percentage. We have written in ratio for, right? This ratio first we have to write it as a fraction. And then we need to multiply by 100 and place the percent symbol outside the bracket. Now we have to cancel 25 and 4. It is cancelable. They are divisible, right? So 25 goes 4 times to 100. And then we multiply 13 into 4. 13 into 4 we multiply. 13 4s are 52. And we place the percent symbol on the right side. So 52%. Now let's do the next one. 7 is to 20. 7 is to 20. So 7 by 20. So 7 by 20 now we will multiply by 100 and we'll put the percent symbol. Now 20 goes 5 times to 100. So 7 5s are 35%. Now next 17 is to 10. 17 by 10 we wrote it as a fraction. Then we multiply by 100 to convert into percentage. Now 10 goes how many times? 10 tens are 100. Now it becomes 170. 70 into 10, 170%. Right. Now 9 is to 50. Now 9 by 50. We'll write it as a fraction first. 9 by 50. Then multiply by 100 and place the percentage symbol, percent symbol. Now 50 goes 2 times to 100, right? Then 9 into 2, 18%, right? 9 into 2, 18%. Now 1 is to 7. 1 is to 7, 1 by 7. And then percent, multiply by 100 and place the percent symbol. So it becomes 100 by 7. Now 100 by 7%, we need to, this is improper fraction, we need to convert it into mixed number. So we can divide 100 by 7. You can 7 ones are 7 and you have 30, 7 fours are 28. 7 fours are 28. Okay, this is 100 divided by 7. So 7 ones are 7 and 30 here, 7 fours are 28 and 2 remainder, right? So 14 2 by 7. So this equals 14 2 by 7%. Children, I hope you have understood everything step by step and it is very clear to you. So let me recap once again because it's little new to you. This ratio into percentage. So ratio, we first write it as a fraction. 13 is to 25. I wrote it as a fraction, that is 13 by 25. How to convert into percentage? Multiply by 100 and place the percent symbol after the bracket. Next, we have cancelled 25 and 100, cancelled, divided, and we got 4 here. So 13 and 4, we multiplied numerator and numerator multiplied. 13 4s are 52, 52%. Next 7 is to 20, that is 7 by 20 multiplied by 100 and place the percent symbol outside the bracket. Now 20 goes 5 times, 7 5s are 35, 35%. Now 17 is to 10, 17 by 10 written as a fraction, then multiplied by 100 and then percent symbol is put outside the bracket. So 10 tens are 100, 17 tens are 170, 170%. Now 19 is to 50, 9 is to 50. So 9 by 50 multiplied by 100 and then 50 goes 2 times. So 9 2s are 18, so 18%. See, we got the calculation done here and then we place the percent symbol just after the number. Now 1 is to 7. So 1 by 7 into 100 and then percent. So it becomes 100 by 7. We cannot divide 100 by 7. So we have to write 100 by 7%. But since it is a improper fraction, so this one we need to convert it back into the mixed number, So I have divided here, you can see, and we got 14 by 2. So 14 2 by 7%. So 100 by 7 is 14 2 by 7%. So I hope today you have learned percentage into ratio how to convert, and then you have learned ratio into percentage how to convert. Lot of things you have learned, and I'm really glad that I'm able to give you so much of value. and it is really useful to you. So don't forget, if you find if it is really useful and helpful to many more, please share this with others, with your friends and family friends, everyone, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.